Good morning. It is Thursday, March 11th, and let's take a look at how you are working through your math today with lesson 3 on triangles. We are still looking at, again, I can classify triangles and find the missing angle measures. Today, we're going to start first at number 1, letter A, with a warm-up, and it's going to be a triangles quiz is in Google Classroom, and you're going to spend about 5 to 8 minutes on it. Now, as you go through that, you should be using 2 resources. You should be using your vocabulary sheet. Remember, on the back side of the vocabulary sheet, so this side right here, which there's a resource here still for you, not with the definitions, because the definitions we went over together last week and the beginning of this week. Well, maybe it'll pop up. Or maybe it won't. It's there though. Okay, so you can go to that and pull that up. You have your copy of it. And then second, you can also use the top of page 556 in the book. So if I bring that up, it looks like this. So in your book, at the very top of that page, it also shows you how to classify triangles by the angles and then by the sides. And so that's what that quiz is going to do in Google Classroom. So you'll head here in a few minutes when I'm done with this video. Right at the top, it's going to say Chapter 7 Triangles, quiz is. I think there's about, I'm trying to remember, it's like close to 20 questions on classifying triangles. So you're going to do that first again, 5 to 8 minutes. Then once you're done with that, I will meet you back at a second video here in part B that says Triangle Sum Theorem. We're going to head into the book and we're going to practice some of those problems. And then afterwards, you'll have a worksheet in your crew, virtual copy here to work on, and an answer key. And then if you still have time in class, you can work on some more buzz math. So coming up, I do want to address this real quick before we get into your warm-up. First off, you know that the trimester ends March 19th, so that's just about a week away. And so we'll talk tomorrow what should be turned in by March 19th for your second trimester grade. Alex is always due on Sunday. Tomorrow on Friday, you are going to have a lesson 3 triangles quick check in Schoology. So it'll be an assignment grade just to, again, check to see how you're doing with the triangles that we've talked about for the last few days. Plan on that tomorrow. That'll be an assignment grade. And then buzz math will eventually, at some point at the end of March, we're going to get to a Chapter 7 test. And so buzz math will be due at that time. Right now I have it set for March 26th, just so you have an idea. And there'll be a couple more buzz math lessons that I do add eventually. You'll see more than just those 3. Okay, so at this point, you're going to stop this video. You're going to head into your warm-up, spend 5 to 8 minutes there, and then we will meet back at part B to go through the lesson with Triangle Sum Theorem.